Members of the White House COVID-19 response team say President Biden's goal of administering 100 million shots in 100 days is well on track.
The U.S. is now averaging more than 1.3 million shots given per day, but demand for the vaccine is far outpacing supply. Our Dr. Frank McGeorge is here with the key points from today's briefing. Doc?
Yeah, Devin and Kimberly. So the good news is that nationally, COVID cases and hospitalizations are continuing to decrease. However, cases are still twice as high as the peak number over the summer. And there is really great concern that new, more contagious variants are threatening to reverse those trends.
We are at war with this virus. It is clearly a national emergency.
A top priority discussed today is increasing access to the vaccine, a sore point with many, in particular seniors.
We are building new community vaccination centers across the country. The Department of Defense will dedicate substantial personnel and resources to help manage many of these new sites.
Those sites will vary by the community need.
You'll see big centers in stadiums, sites in school gyms and community centers, mobile units in rural areas and outer bureaus, pop-up sites in parking lots and other locations.
But as the race to vaccinate continues, the CDC director warned too many people are giving the new variants an easy path to spread.
Based on contact tracing and recent variant cases, not wearing masks and participating in in-person social gatherings have contributed to the variant spread.
Dr. Fauci also addressed the question of double masking, saying the CDC is waiting on the science.
There's nothing wrong with people wearing two masks. I often myself wear two masks. Can we make a general recommendation that doesn't have scientific basis yet? No. But when the science comes along and tells us that it is better or not, then you will see a recommendation being made by the CDC.
Now, the experts also expressed concern about the Super Bowl this weekend, urging Americans to watch it at home with just the people from their household. They don't want to see a bump in cases as we begin to follow various holiday increases, especially as we are starting to make some progress now.
Yeah, I can see that. So, Frank, I want to ask you, what about people who are hesitant about the vaccine? While there are clearly so many people who desperately want it, there are also a lot of people who just aren't so sure.
Well, you know, the CDC director said that that's really an important issue, and they want to address those root concerns. Frankly, they're also hoping once a vaccine is widely available, there are going to be so many people who have already been vaccinated and had no ill effects that many of those who are hesitant now will just feel more comfortable.
Yeah, and that might make a difference. Okay, Frank, thank you.